Hey, this is Marco. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos, videos on iOS 18, even if it's been more than 30 days. So once you delete stuff, you have 30 days to recover them. And the only way to do that is to basically do a restore backup on your iPhone. So you basically have to go to your settings, click on your name at the top. You want to click on the iCloud here. Then click on iCloud backup and make sure you have, of course, had the backup before you deleted the image, once you had it on your iPhone. And then what you do is you need to reset your phone. So if you go back, then you want to go to General, Transfer Reset iPhone. You want to erase all content and settings, follow the on-screen instructions, and then use the old backup and you will get the photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.